All right. Think we're ready? So basically, I have this old microphone gaming set. It's called the Microsoft Life Chat LX 3000. They're decent. Uh, the wires have come out from behind the speaker. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna make a soldering iron, homemade soldering iron with some stuff we have around the house, and we're gonna get both sides working again. So I guess first off, we're just gonna take this off, get all this stuff taken out. We don't need any of that right now. Get this taken apart. This is my tools here. This is all-in-one from Iron Mountain Diesel. Shout out to Iron Mountain Diesel. Heck yeah, this thing comes in handy in everything. Right on. So while I'm just doing this kind of stuff, I got the idea for this soldering iron off the internet. I've been streaming and stuff and playing games without any sound at all. And it's been kind of a pain in the ass, to tell you the truth. So I'm going to do what I can today to get her fixed. It's that stupid coded wiring. So it has to be soldered. You know what I mean? So we'll get her done. I don't have any new solder to put on, so I'm just going to have to re-liquefy the solder that's on it. I have had this open once already this morning. I just wanted to make sure everything was good. I wasn't going to run into any issues. So that's always good. Yeah. I'm still kind of feeling a little sick, but I'm much better than I was 2 days ago. That's for sure. There's 3 screws in this. Yeah, I just gotta shimmy a little forward here so I'm not hurting my back. I got bad back as it is, bad posture. I'm also trying to make sure I can keep my hands in the video screen there. Separate these two. There's the speaker and there's just the cover. I'm gonna make sure I put the screws in here so I don't lose them. Put the stuff down so I don't lose them in the process of trying not to lose them. Trying to remember to keep my mouth close enough to the mic that you can hear me. Okay. I don't see any definitives on it that tells me left or right. I guess I could pop the other one open. That's a lot of work though. Nothing really shows wire. What do you say we just wing it? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I'm pretty sure. I don't know if you guys maybe can see something. Oh, good lord. I'm not seeing really nothing on the top two there. I think it's pretty sure it's the top two. I should actually open the other side to make sure. Maybe I'll do that. Quick. Yeah. I just have them sitting here on my lap. To take a quick look, I really don't need to do much work. Just gotta unscrew these again. Another set of unscrewing. Bear with me here. I'm just gonna move this stuff out of my way. The stuff to make my soldering iron, because I don't want to lose it. Okay. How's everybody's day been? Let me know in the comments or the chat. This is a live video right now. I'm definitely going to make it a YouTube video as well, more than likely. I should have a normal screwdriver. It's all in my truck outside. Yesterday the fuel pump decided to stop in my truck, so I got help. I got it towed back home. So now I'm kind of sour about it, so I haven't been out to the truck today. It is what it is, I guess. That's the way she goes. So in other words, yeah, I'm just too lazy to go out to the truck to get the stuff I need to make this quicker. Light in here is kind of different. Good lord. See, I can get that out with my fingers now. Don't lose the screws. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are probably at this point thinking like, why is he going through all this work just to fix an old gaming headset from who knows what year? I don't think it says a year on it. No, it doesn't. Yeah. So, the answer to that is I'm fixing this because I don't have the money to buy a new one. Because they're expensive nowadays. It would be nice. But I mean, the microphone on this also sounds fine still. And the speaker that I'm taking apart here, just check the wiring. That one sounds good. Just imagine having two of them that worked. Okay. 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 Oh, I got you. Okay. I got you. Gotcha. So what this shows, as I looked at it this way, this is gold, and this is going to be red. Gold and red. Gold and reds here. Oh, good lord. Gold and reds. Let me just double check here quick. Yep. I'm just going to throw one screw in this to hold it, I guess. So it's not flopping around on me while I'm trying to wire in the other one. Oh, good lord. Hit the hole. There we go. Alright. I'm just going to screw this in quick. That way it's not all floppy. Just about tight. Okay. Right. So like that. You guys probably can't see that. The easiest way to do this, I'm probably have to prop this up, do one at a time. But what we got to do first is I have to actually make the soldering iron. I've never made one of these before. We'll show you what I got. I might need some other things. I'm hoping not. Got a lighter. Just normal Bic. Tie wire strapping type deal. I'm going to use a hair tie just as a barrier between the hot piece of metal and the lighter. And I have a little drill bit. I don't know what size this is. It doesn't say. I'm going to be using this side because I feel like the solder is just going to suck into the thread, or you know what I mean. And then it's just going to fuck me. So, sorry, excuse my language. So I'm going to put it on. This is what I'm going to do first. I'm just going to do this so that it's got a good solid amount. That's a good amount to have out. Get that tight. I'm going to try and dip it in one under the other. I know I'm not doing a very good job showing you, but I'm trying. Dang it. I'll show you what I mean when I'm done, I guess. If I can get it. There we go. Oh, it's upside down. Idiot. Okay. Let's spread it out a little so you can see what I mean. Yeah. That's good. It's a hair tie, so there's hairs on it. So like that. I've weaved it. Just to hold it. It's not too bad. It'll be able to hold some weight. Straighten her out a bit. Then I got the tie. This is just going to help get some tension on it. I'm just going to basically use it as a tie. Tie it as tight as I can. Okay. You'll feel when it gets weak if you're using one of these. That's when you stop usually. Wrap it again. should actually be good. Yeah. There. Homemade soldering iron. So the idea is the lighter heats up the metal, and then we use that to melt solder. I probably only have a few shots at it before it, like, you know, melts everything and probably explodes. So let's not waste it. Let's get ourselves ready to attempt it, at least. So I'm gonna go kind of like that. I need a prop. It's not high enough. I want it to be up a little higher so that I can just each wire place it on there. This is the idea. What can I use? I have an old. It's gonna be too high. An old power bar. What about this stack of paper? This might be perfect. Is it gonna get in the way though? Bear with me. Bear with me. Well, it's not too bad. That's not. I don't know. This could be a pain in the butt. I wonder if I get some tape and tape it at least close. Barrel of monkeys. Yeah, I think that'll be better. Got these for my kid. She loved them. She doesn't understand the game, but she liked it. Right. I'm gonna try for the red first, I think. Okay. I mean, I do have a cup of water, just in case things are on fire. I can just throw the whole thing in there. It's enough to submerge whatever be on fire, for sure. So we're gonna give it a whirl. I'm sure what's the easiest way. We're gonna want to get it hot. Real hot. Okay, we're going for it. Is it gonna work? No, need a bit hotter. It's a pretty big drill bit. Get it real hot. Okay, we're trying it. Oh, it worked. Didn't catch the wire though. Hang on. Hang on. I'm screwing up. I took too long. I'm too shaky too. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. Alright, let's try again. It does have a barrier from the lighter, so I'm not too worried yet. Just get her nice and warm. We'll be alright. All of a sudden, boom! Just kidding. I'm going for it. Dang it. Not hot enough yet. I gotta be quick about it, I guess. I'll try. Going for it. Still not. How come it worked the first time? What did I do differently? Hang on. I'm just gonna cool the bit. Somebody's trying to call me now. Shut up. Just gonna give the lighter a couple seconds here to cool down. I wonder if it's too long. I'm gonna shorten it. Yeah. Okay, let's go again. Let me get ready. Gotta get the wire on there. Oh, that looks promising. I'm just gonna let her eat, man. Let her get hot. I don't know about glowing hot. I wonder if I can like bring it in while it's burning. Bad idea. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. What's in? It's melting. Dang it, I had it. Fricked it. Keep going. I'm gonna get it. I'm telling you. Or that I'm just gonna end up taking all the solder off of it. I do have the window open. Maybe I should close it. There's a bit of a breeze. Yeah, maybe. It's coming in now. Of course. Right? That's the way it works. I'm just holding it here so the wind doesn't try and move it. Dang wind. Okay, I'm going for it. Oh, there's some smoke I'm holding. Oh, it's in. God, I'm good. It's in. It worked. Okay, I'm gonna cool it. Woo! She was warm, dude. Yeah, it's in there. That's a solder. That is a solder. Ha ha ha. Wow. This might work, guys. This might actually work. Huh. I am kind of amazed, actually. I didn't think it was gonna work. Well, dang. I'm glad I'm doing it then. Yeah. I might have to snip this one. Yeah. Fire snip. Okay. Okay. Just getting myself lined up again. Making sure I have enough of it that'll go into the solder. Okay. Guys ready? I should have closed the window. I don't know, we'll see how... The breeze doesn't seem too bad right now. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, you're welcome. Lizard. Babe. My girlfriend, wife, soon to be. Once I man up, get her ring and propose. Yeah. I gotta get this thing hot. Okay. Double check on where our positions are. Yeah, seems okay. Keep getting it hot, 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 hot. Okay, I'm ready. I think I see a glowing shit. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going for it. What the hell? Not hot enough? Nope, not hot enough. Hang on. I gotta position myself better. I'm gonna close the window as well. Okay. It's still a bit warm, but it's not hot enough, apparently. Alright. Just gotta get it hot. So how's everybody doing today? My day's been pretty good, in case you're wondering. Yeah, sorry, my leg was bouncing there. I'm a leg bouncer when I'm waiting, impatient waiter. We're getting there. I think we're getting close. Just got to get that right heat into the drill bit. Okay, I think we're there. Okay, I'm going for it. Going for it. It's on there. Oh, it's liquefied. Oh, I'm good. I got it. Yep. Easy. In the cooler. Woo. Uh-huh. That's soldered, baby. Heck yeah. Well, I mean, the only way to know if it works, I guess, actually, I got to do something here on the computer. I've had it plugged in. Um, settings. But I do believe because only the one thing worked, I had it set to one side. Live chat. Well, I guess we can just lift it up and find out right now. How we doing? Oh, it sounds amazing. It works. I fixed it. Okay, hang on. Let me put it back together. Okay. Wow. I didn't expect that was going to work, to tell you the honest to death truth. Okay. Let me Okay. Yeah. I think everything should work fine. Yeah. Sorry. Like I said, I'm still feeling a little ill. But not too bad. Just pop this thing together. Get rid of the monkeys in a barrel lid. Came in handy. Thank you, Hasbro. I believe that's a Hasbro product. Hasbro, yeah. People texting me. They just need to calm down. I'm using my phone at the moment. Just putting the screws in. Trying not to yank on anything too bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're getting there, bud. One more on this side. Still trying to be very gentle and not lose the tiny little screws. Okay. Here we go. That was my significant other. Oh, I didn't know it was so late. She's taking the dogs for a walk already. Okay. That one in there. And that one in I do have to put the screws back in this side. Yep, get it in there. One more on this side. Huh. Okay. Woo! Everybody be good. Careful. Everybody calm down. Just making sure all these are tight so it doesn't come apart. And I continue to live a long, happy life. Right? Make sure everything's tight. Double check the side we fixed. And we're going to put our, I don't know what you'd call these, ear koozies? What do you call these? Cushions for your ears. Yeah, there's a little beat up, these ones, but I always kind of wondered what they're called. Let me know in the chat if you know what it is, because now I'm curious. These are always such a pain in the butt, whatever they're called. One on. Oh, come on now. Jiminy. Okay. Just give her that little turny turn, get her locked in. Alright. So like I said, this whole time, these headphones have been hooked up to the computer. They're put together now. It's the only thing that we have for the computer. I've been using my laptop down there and a Bluetooth to my Bluetooth headset, JBL Tune Beam. This thing's great, by the way. So for the very first time since I've ever known this headset, it's only had one speaker, and that was this side with the microphone. This one's always been broken. I just soldered it with my homemade soldering iron. Worked pretty good. I'm about to put them on, and we're going to see how they sound. Just going to move that mic there. Okay. Oh, wow. Stereo. It sounds good. Heck yeah. That's exciting. That is exciting. I'm happy about that. Heck yeah. Perfect. The soldering iron worked good. Loved it.